Nice work with the ghoul, Witcher. Very clean cut. Nice work with the ghoul, Witcher. Very clean cut. Looks like you're ready for the final exam, unless you'd prefer to practice on dummies first. You must defeat the Devourer as part of the exam. Remember to prepare before the fight.
When the Devourer was struck down with a skillful blow of her sharp blade, the matter was clear. The Witcher had passed the exam. The Master nodded in recognition and handed a wolf school medallion and an inwrought bestiary to the young Witcher, wishing that they'd serve him well on the path. When the Witcher emerged from the wood, his eyes beheld a most curious sight. A wild assortment of papers. Oh. Asking myself the same. It all went down so quick. There I was, riding me horse, thinking about my beloved, as ever. When all of a sudden there's this screech and a whoosh beating down from above. I took a thump to the head. Jurgen threw me off, and when I finally stopped seeing stars, the horse was nowhere to be seen. Hey, wait 1 minute. You wouldn't happen to be one of them witchers, would you? A monster slayer? Thorstein, maybe help? Perhaps. I'll pay you well, you can be sure.